Reading is a thing which can teach you a lot, and one of my most favorite book is The Secret. So today I'll share with you what I have learned through this book, and how I implemented and how I got the results. So hi, I'm Bhavna. Welcome back to my channel, and let's find out what this book says. The Secret is a book which tells you so many secrets about health, relationships, money, which we all are concerned about every day. That how should we mend our relationships? How should we improve our financial status and everything? So this is a book which tells you all the secrets. First thing which author says is that we attract everything in life. We can't blame anyone that because of this person I'm suffering, because of that person I'm suffering. Everything you are attracting in your life. When you get up in the morning, just ask yourself that how are you feeling, because that feeling matters. It's either a good feeling or a bad feeling. So if you have a good feeling inside, then definitely you will attract whatever you wish for. But if you are feeling negative, you're feeling not good, then definitely you will attract people and situations which you don't like. So it all depends on you. So it gives us immense power when we realize that, okay, so it's in my hands what I want with my life. It sounds very interesting because we always blame others, situations, people, etc. for our conditions. Author says that you should be clear about what you want. There should be 100% faith that and clarity that what you want from universe. It's very very important because uh, it should be accurate, and you should be always clear about what you want in life, and you will get it only when you have faith. For example, if you don't have money, so don't feel bad that I don't have money. Don't keep on feeling bad, because that will not change the situation. That will make it only worse. But if you feel good about it, that yes, I will have money, you have faith in you, then definitely one day you will change your situation, and you will change your situation, that is for sure. Author says that just forget what you don't want, just focus on what you want. If I talk about me, I was always thinking about, okay, this thing is not good, this is not happening right and everything. So my focus was entirely on things which I didn't like, and that just increased my frustration. But then I realized, after getting knowledge from these kind of books, I realized that it all depends on you, that how you deal with it. We all know that 10% is what life gives to us, and 90% is what we make out of it. It's very very important. Things don't give you happiness. you know there's no limit on the things which you can collect in your house, in your life, but ultimately things will not give you happiness. Author talks about the relationships. In relationships, we always expect from the other person, we expect from our partner to praise us. We wait for compliments, that they will give us compliments, then we will feel beautiful and we will feel happy, and we keep on waiting, and things don't happen, and then we get frustrated. But author says that better the best thing to do is that you feel beautiful inside. You feel that I am beautiful, I am happy. And once you are filled with joy and happiness and content, then definitely you can pass it to the partner, and definitely your relationship will be beautiful. I feel that this relationship is not working, to each his own. We can't generalize all the relationships, but yes, author says that we can do one thing, that definitely we can make a list of the things which we like about other person, and we can just, when we write these things, then definitely we'll have all the reasons to stay with him or her. So this is one practice which author suggests, which definitely gives you the real reason for good relationships. Definitely reduces the pain which we generally have in fights in relationships. One more thing which I realized, by my experiences, is that you can't change people. It's nearly impossible to change people. These days, everybody is concerned about their health. We all do so many things for our health. But there is one secret which is very, very important to know. And that author talks about is that, so all our organs are regenerated time to time. Just feel from inside that you are fit, and, just focus on that energy. Energy is very, very important. Happiness is your right. You have all the right to be happy. I really feel that, some tools are there which I feel that, they are the core of happiness. And those tools are meditation, is extremely helpful for your mental health. Exercise and correct diet, again, it helps you to recover from all the stress which you have in daily life. and then quality time with family. Again, it reduces so much pressure and so much stress from again decluttering the things, because it again sorts you, and you feel balanced. So these are some things which I wanted to share with you. I found this book very, very good. Basically, it's a series. So today I covered The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. I have also read The Power and The Hero. These are two other books which she has written, and all the books are very, very good. They just give you the logic behind every incident which you face. One more interesting fact that I came to know is that a positive thought is very, very powerful than many negative thoughts. It's a very good thing, because one positive thought can beat thousands and thousands of negative thoughts. So it has that power. That power is within us. Time is the greatest healer, we all know, and um, if we include some practices in our daily life, then definitely our life will be better. And we should value people more than things. That's what I always feel. So these were the things I wanted to share with you from this book, which I found very helpful. I hope you liked it. I'll share the purchase link in the description box of the video, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.